Hello guys, welcome back to NFT. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix mouse not locking to game window. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So, in this case, if you're having problems with your game here and your mouse is not locking into that game and it is causing you some accidents within in-game here, well, there are a few things that you can actually change in here in Windows. Now, first things first, you want to go to the search bar here, just type in registry, and want to open up the registry editor. Now answer yes if it requires further permission, but once you've done that, this is what you should be seeing. Now what you need to do is you want to go and look for the HKey local machine here, the folder for it, and want to expand it. Now next is you want to look for software. Now again, expand it. Now you want to click on the expand button here if you don't, if you want to see the other options here. But underneath software, you want to go and scroll down a bit here. You want to look for Microsoft. Now for Microsoft, you want to scroll down a bit here until you see the option for Windows. So it might take a while here. So you want to expand Windows. And in here, what we need to do is you want to look for the, if I'm not mistaken here, it's going to be current version. Now, yeah, under current version, you want to go and scroll down a bit here until you see the option for policies. You want to expand that as well. And you want to look for system. Now, you don't need to expand system here. You just need to click on it to see the values for it. And you want to look for a very specific entry here, which is going to be the enable Lua or enable LUA. So what you need to do is you want to go and right click on this one and you want to go and click on modify. Now, what you need to do is you want to make sure, or you need to ensure that the value set for this specific one is set to 1. Now, if you do see it in 0, that's the cause of this issue. So go and set this to 1 and click on OK. Now, if you already see 1 in here, what you need to do is you may want to set this to 0 and then click on OK, and you may want to do it again, change it, update it again so that it gets refreshed. But once you've updated this to 1 value and click on OK here, you can go ahead and close this one, restart your PC, and see if that actually helps. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.